Insert three numbers between 4 and 324 such that a geometric sequence is formed. For a geometric sequence, the nth term, Tn, is given by the formula Tn equals a times r to the n minus 1, where Tn is the nth term, also called the general term, a is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the term number. By inserting three numbers between two other numbers, there will be a total of 5 terms. The first term given, in this case 4, will correspond to the first term of our sequence. The second term given, 324, will then correspond to the fifth term, T5. We can then substitute known quantities into the formula for the fifth term of a geometric sequence and solve for r. We can then use our value of r, the common ratio, to calculate the terms that were inserted, the second term, third term, and fourth term. In this case, a, the first term, is equal to 4, n equals 5 since we have 5 terms, T5 equals 324, and we have to calculate r, the common ratio. Again, we use the formula for a geometric sequence, Tn equals a times r to the n minus 1, and substitute. Tn equals 324, a equals 4, and n equals 5. Dividing both sides by 4, we end up with 81 equals r to the 4. We can then take the fourth root of both sides of this equation, and remember that we need to have it as plus or minus. We then get r is equal to plus or minus 3. Note that it's really important to include the positive and the negative when you have an even number as your exponent. For r equals 3, we can then calculate the second term using the first term times 3, giving us 12. The third term will be the second term times the common ratio, 12 times 3, giving 36. And the fourth term will be the third term times the common ratio, giving 108. Repeating this process for r equals negative 3, the second term equals 4 times negative 3, which is negative 12. The third term is negative 12 times negative 3. This results in, again, positive 36. And the fourth term, 36 times negative 3, negative 108. The three terms that we have to insert then are 12, 36, and 108, or negative 12, 36, and negative 108.